Hi there, Tony Mano from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at eBay here, and this is a 2022 BMW X7 xDrive 4i, and so there's the photos of it there. Well, and this is a brand new vehicle, $87,620 it is, and there's the NZD price if you want to know that, $141,883.25. And we come down here a bit more, we got some vehicle history. Well, it's a new vehicle, so there has no history. But here are some of the what it comes with, 5-zone automatic climate control. So aluminium running boards, anthracite brown popular matte finish, wood trim. So it's got wood trim as well. Cold weather package, executive package, glass controls, Hammond card on surround sound system. Oh, that's a high quality system there. Luxury seating package, which probably is leather. So multi contour seats, parking assistance package, wheels, S22 inch, X 9.5 inch, FR, and 22 inch, X 10.5 inch, and RR multi spoke wheels, wireless charging, wireless charging. So brown automatic, and there's the photos here. That's the first photo there of the vehicle, and it's a metallic brown, so that's what it is, the color. Yeah, there's some better photos of this vehicle. It's brand new. You can see the running boards there. Some actually with some better photos they're here, and this time round, this one here is a bit, is beautiful vehicle. I mean, nice if you're a family man. This is something for your kids in the back and everything. You stick your camping gear, or you can stick your fishing gear in the back and go fishing, or whatever you want to do. There's there it is there. So it's a pretty full on. Lots of room. There's your side controls. Here you go. White upholstery, probably leather. BMW steering wheel with the logo. Some controls. There's the logo again, which is the BMW, which they were they used to create engines for airplanes, so that's why that is. That's what that logo is. Yeah. And the heating controls, climate control, all that, automatic, fully automatic, for all-wheel drive it is. Yeah, all-wheel drive. Yes. Yeah, left-hand drive, see, unfortunately. So, because it's for the American market, right? So it's left-hand drive. No good here. In New Zealand, that has to be changed. So you'd have to order one from a different place, I guess. But there's some more, the seating, leather seating, bucket seats, contour seats. Same with the rear, see, real plush stuff, see. So there you go, and that's it. So there you go. There you have it. And it's from IS Ringhausen Imports Incorporated. So yeah, 100% positive feedbacks. So that's all good. So yeah, this is quite a bit longer than the last one I did. So, but that's this 2022 X7. So all right. So if you're gonna, so there you have that. There you have it. So it's pretty, yeah, depending on what country you're in, but yeah, very plush, very luxurious. So yeah. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in another video. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.